Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand about RSP loan configuration. In last video, we understood RSP configuration and related ledgers. I have searched a file which is RSP profile and where we had configured different ledgers for payable, payout, income and agreement between RSP and merchant. In this case, I'm going to search customer profile, create loan, select a product scheme. This is the product scheme created for the agreement between merchant and borrower. For example, I have taken 18% yearly flat interest for 10 months. I click save. The loan amount is going to be 1 lakh, which is the sanction amount for borrower. In this 1 lakh, 90,000, that is 90%, is the contribution from RSP and 10%, 10,000 is the contribution from merchant. I click save. It is a normal loan created 621. Next, I have to create a loan for searching the file RSP profile and click loan. Now this loan is going to be for the same product scheme but merchant's contribution, and I click save here. Now I have to search the loan 621, which is for 1 lakh, and go to RSP and then link the loan for merchant's participation. I click update here. So here what happened, that merchant participation details fetched from the system. I had to click rebuild so that the fees will get calculated here, these fees. Now the important factor is that the installment for borrower is going to be 11,500, and this is distributed that 9630 is Shriram share and 1870 is merchant share. Out of this 1870, 1000 is a principal of merchant participation, 150 is interest of merchant's participation, and 720 is the differential interest income of merchant for RSP share. So in loan 621, borrower is paying first installment. I receive this, let's say in bank. Now this amount has to be given to RSP. In next video I am going to explain how to do that. So in this amount there is a share of merchant also. So what we'll do, when RSP will pay back to merchant, in that case we have to search this loan and then receive this 1870. Let's say I enter here and then receive this amount. Now the important factor here to understand in summary, that 1870, it was the Shriram payout, and the Shriram interest income, that is 720, which is a differential income. The interest income is 150 and the principal received was 1000. So automatically all the ledgers are appropriately settled here. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.